So here we are, day 2 training for Jamaica's rugby league team, the Reggae Warriors, as they amp up their preparations for the 2022 Rugby League World Cup, which is slated for England. We're here at the Kirkstall training ground in Leeds in West Yorkshire, the home of Leeds Rhinos rugby league team. All players have joined camp now. The domestic based players and the UK based players have joined together. There are 18 UK based players in camp, and there were 6 domestic based players that joined up with the squad on Sunday morning UK time. Jamaica's first game of the World Cup is not until the 16th of October against Ireland, which will be played in Leeds. However, they will play a warm-up match prior to the World Cup, and that will be against the English county of Cumbria. The team will depart Leeds on Wednesday morning UK time, head up north towards Cumbria and play against them on Friday. Now, the Jamaican team, their games in the World Cup will be against Ireland on the 16th, New Zealand on the 22nd in Hull, and October 30 against Lebanon in Manchester. Now, the top 2 teams from each group will not only qualify for the quarterfinals of the World Cup, but they'll also automatically qualify for the 2025 edition of the Rugby League World Cup. So Jamaica, if they can win 2 games and get to the quarterfinals, they won't need to qualify for the next World Cup. They'll already qualify and would need to compete in the next America's Championship for the 2025 cycle. So winning 2 games would guarantee Jamaica's spot in the next World Cup. If not, then they will have to head to the World Cup qualifiers for 2025, which is slated to be hosted in Jamaica in November of 2023. Day 1 was more of a meet and greet, getting to know each other, a little bit of work in the gym, and also some soft movement on the field as well. But now they're getting really to the nitty-gritty, the tactical aspect, to prepare for teams like Ireland, like New Zealand, and of course against Lebanon. The bulk of the Jamaican squad, while many of them were born to Jamaican parents or grandparents, many of them were born in West Yorkshire, and West Yorkshire has a very, very large Jamaican diaspora. Behind the likes of London, behind Birmingham, behind Manchester, West Yorkshire has a huge Jamaican diaspora. When you bear in mind cities such as Leeds, where the team is currently based right now, and Huddersfield as well. So you can expect that with Jamaica's opening game against Ireland, which will be on the 16th of October, that there will be numbers wearing their black, green and gold at the Headingley Stadium. So that is something that the team will be looking to build upon. This is Jamaica's debut at the World Cup, and they'll be keen to show that they have what it takes to compete at the World Cup. So we'll see how things sort of match out where that is concerned, and hopefully the team will be able to continue their progression as a unit. Year after year after year, they've made strides in rugby league, and now the Reggae Warriors are on the global stage. Let us not forget as well, Jamaica's rugby league team are Jamaica's 2nd highest ranked male sports team. Yes, right now they're 21st in the world. Jamaica's men's lacrosse team, they're Jamaica's highest ranked male sports team, as they're 9th in the world. But here we are at the Rugby League World Cup. More updates to come your way. So, as well, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And as well, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Stay tuned for more content right here from the Rugby League World Cup in England.